Happy birthday, Dr. Stan. It's been a long time. Hope you and your wife Nadia are well. As you probably know, my wife Carol joined the Lord August 2nd, 2024. While she was still with me, your name came up often as we remembered the special times we had together when you came to Phoenix to preach. I'm taking the liberty to read a quote you have on your Facebook page. Your breakthrough comes faster when your mentor is a minister and grand master. I'm also taking the liberty of having those who are watching this video to learn more about you in the following: Dr. Stan Harris, evangelist, author, business entrepreneur, life coach, motivational speaker, and 10th degree black belt are just a few of the gifts which husband and father, Dr. Stan Harris, has been favored by God. Born November 23, 1960, and raised in a single-parent home in the ghettos of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, along with his 4 brothers. Stan got involved in the martial arts in 1970 after being jumped, beaten, tarred, and feathered by a teenage gang. His motivation for learning martial arts was for 2 reasons. For the rest of the story about Dr. Stan and the 2 reasons for his motivation for learning martial arts, go to drbreakthroughministries.com. Dr. Stan, now I have a birthday present for you. A free AI talking greetings video of your choice. Maybe like this one, or maybe just a simple friendship talking video for someone special. Go here, harveysilverfox.com, to request your free greeting video. Love you both. Harvey.